Institute, Advancing AI and Robotics Careers. The Institute has just announced two major updates, one for AI in manufacturing and one for robotics careers. First, they launched a new project called to support their AI Data Foundry Initiative. In simple terms, they're building a national repository of high-quality manufacturing data to help AI learn better. One of the big challenges in AI adoption is bad or missing data. So this project aims to collect, organise and validate data to improve robotic systems. Second, roboticscareer.org just got a major upgrade to help employees connect with qualified robotic talent. Companies can now search for job seekers by applied skills, get automated candidate notification, and even see if someone has completed an AIIMM-endorsed training program. With thousands of people using roboticscareer.org each month, it's become the go-to place for students, job seekers, and employees to connect to the robotics industry. If you're in manufacturing looking to hire or looking for a career in robotics, now's the time to check it out. And that's my robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me on my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.